We're at Grant's picnic ground, and what a find this is. And if we look at the walks here, there are lots of bush walks. You can do one to Hardy Gully, Margaret, Leicester, Tregellis Loop. Here's a map. Now here's the famous feeding ground, the bird feeding ground. There are the cockatoos up in the tree. And are there any come down? Oh yeah, there's one down here. Okay, let's go and have a look. This is Kenzie's adventure with the birds. Whoa! Kenzie's made a friend very quickly. That took her about 3 seconds. How many birds can you get on that tray? Here we go.
Up. Up, up, up. That's it. Up. Up. No.
Are they heavy?
Oh. You're gonna kill my wrist.
I think they're going to kill each other as well.
This is what always happens. I always get two birds that fight over each other with a tray of food. Isn't that right?
Another bus has arrived. And look, these are all the people that came off the bus. But unfortunately, there are no birds now. They've all cleared away. But yet, they continue to wait and wait.
I'm so glad we did this.
We have lots of bird seed.
Yep. In the review, someone said the seed only
birds.
lasts 15 minutes.
Clearly, that was when there were a lot of birds.
Yeah.
Once again, the bus load.
They're excited over a magpie.
That's about all there is to get excited about currently. That tree is empty. Not only is that tree empty, all the trees are empty. One little rosella has arrived and the bus is crowding in. Crowding in on that one little rosella. Yep. You definitely have to be here at the right time. Now we're in the Dandenong Ranges and we're going to go on a bushwalk through the rainforest. This one's called the Hardy Gully Nature Walk. Hardy Gully Nature Walk. And there we go. Let's go.
Trying to warm my hands up.
Yeah, it's kind of chilly today. We nearly did the walk, but currently they're shooting deer. But this is what it would look like if we walk through it. There's rainforest, rainforest. Here's the funny thing. After all the tourist buses have gone, look at all these birds now. Everybody's gone home and oh, this one just landed on Kenzie. But the second after all the tourist buses, Kenzie's...
Are you gonna come home with me?
Kenzie's taken one home.
You having fun? You are, aren't you? You don't shake your head. You're not having fun. Wanna go for another walk? Let's go for another walk. Oh, God, I'm sorry.